Welcome. Understanding how users interact with your website or app is essential for improving user experience and increasing conversions. That's where Contentsquare comes in. Contentsquare is a powerful analytics platform that helps businesses analyze user behavior, visualize customer journeys, and identify areas where users may experience friction on a website or digital product. With tools for behavioral analytics, heat maps, and experience insights, teams can better understand how visitors navigate their platforms and make data-driven decisions to optimize performance. Let's get started. However, understanding user behavior on your website or app can be challenging without the right tools. Contentsquare is an advanced digital experience analytics platform designed to help businesses optimize their websites and apps by gaining deep insights into user behavior, engagement, and conversion rates. Contentsquare provides a comprehensive suite of features that enable companies to track, analyze, and improve every aspect of their digital touchpoints with its intuitive interface and robust analytics. Contentsquare empowers marketers, project managers, and UX designers to make data-driven decisions that enhance user journeys and increase conversion rates. Whether you're working in e-commerce, finance, or any other industry, Contentsquare helps you unlock the full potential of your digital presence. In this video, we will explore the key features and benefits of Contentsquare and explain why it's an excellent choice for optimizing user experience and boosting conversions in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the user behavior analytics. Contentsquare's user behavior analytics feature allows you to track how users interact with your website or app. By analyzing clicks, scrolls, and hover actions, you gain a clear understanding of which parts of your site are engaging users and which areas may need improvement. This provides deep insights into user behavior, enabling you to identify friction points and optimize user flows for better engagement and conversion. Another key feature is the heat maps and session replay. With heat maps, you can visualize where users click, how far they scroll, and which parts of your website they engage with. The most session replays allow you to watch user interactions in real time to observe their behavior on a granular level. This allows you to see exactly how users are interacting with your digital assets, helping you identify and resolve usability issues quickly. Another key feature is the conversion funnel analysis. Contentsquare's conversion funnel analysis helps you track the steps users take from landing on your website to completing a purchase or other goal. By identifying where users drop off in the funnel, you can make data-driven decisions to optimize the path to conversion. This improves conversion rates by pinpointing bottlenecks in the user journey and enabling you to optimize the most critical touchpoints. Another key feature is the A/B testing and experimentation. Contentsquare integrates A/B testing and experimentation features that allow you to test different variations of your website or app to see which performs best. Whether you're testing new layouts, content, or calls to action, you can measure the impact of your changes in real time. This provides empirical data to support design decisions, helping you make informed changes that drive better results. Another key feature is the advanced segmentation and reporting. Contentsquare allows you to segment users based on specific behaviors, demographics, or devices. This means you can analyze how different groups of users interact with your site and tailor your strategies to their needs. This helps you understand user behavior across various segments, enabling more personalized and effective marketing strategies. So, why is Contentsquare a great choice? Contentsquare is a comprehensive, data-driven platform that helps businesses understand and improve the digital experiences they provide by offering in-depth user behavior insights, heat maps, session replace, and conversion funnel analysis. Contentsquare ensures that companies can make informed decisions that directly impact user satisfaction and conversion rates. Unlike traditional analytics platforms, Contentsquare goes beyond just tracking page views and clicks. It provides actionable insights into how users actually experience your site, making it an invaluable tool for UX teams, marketers, and product managers looking to enhance user journeys. The real-time data, combined with advanced segmentation and A/B testing, allows businesses to stay agile and continuously improve their digital strategies based on user feedback. Additionally, its ability to track both mobile and desktop user behavior ensures a consistent and optimized experience across all devices, which is essential as mobile traffic continues to grow. With its user-friendly interface and robust features set, Contentsquare helps businesses of all sizes unlock new opportunities to improve UX, increase conversions, and drive business growth. Basically, in the competitive digital landscape of 2025, understanding user behavior and optimizing your website or app for maximum engagement and conversion is crucial. Contentsquare is a powerful analytics platform that provides businesses with the tools they need to enhance their digital experiences and drive better results. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Contentsquare offers the insights and tools to help you stay ahead of the competition. By understanding your users' needs and behaviors, you can create more personalized and engaging digital experiences, ultimately increasing your conversions and fostering long-term customer loyalty. So start using Contentsquare today to optimize your digital presence and take your user experience to the next level. Thank you for watching this Contentsquare tutorial. Using digital experience analytics tools like Contentsquare can help businesses understand user behavior, improve website usability, and increase conversion rates through data-driven insights. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on analytics platforms, digital tools, and business software. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.